Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make phrases like ginseng. Start with a clear understanding of your message. Think about the essence of what you want to communicate, whether it is a feeling, a benefit, or a specific characteristic. This initial step is crucial for building a strong foundation. Then, gather a collection of relevant keywords that resonate with your core concept. Once you have your keywords, experiment with different combinations. Try pairing a strong adjective with a noun like golden elixir or vital essence. You can also use verbs to add action, such as rejuvenate spirit. Don't forget to play with sound. Alliteration can make phrases more catchy and easier to recall. To create phrases with a ginseng-like feel, focus on natural and beneficial attributes. Think about words that convey vitality, such as life-giving root or earth's bounty. Emphasize the positive impact on health and energy, using terms like wellness tonic or inner strength. Purity and potency are key elements to highlight. After crafting your phrases, it is essential to refine them. Read them aloud to ensure they sound natural and impactful. Ask friends or colleagues for their impressions. Fresh perspectives can reveal areas for improvement. Aim for conciseness, ideally keeping phrases to 2, 3, or 4 words for maximum memorability and punch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.